Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. We've got a special one today and I can't believe we're actually getting the chance to work on this and bring you along on the YouTube. Our customer's had this car on order for quite a while. He's been expecting it since around Christmas time, just gone, and it's finally arrived here. Come straight from the factory via enclosed trailer, straight to Lusso Concierge here in Leeds for full paint protection film coverage. Once the car's all fully protected, Aston Martin are then taking the car to Silverstone racetrack for the grand reveal with the customer. There's only 110 units of this car made. I believe you've got to be invited in order to purchase one. So come in here and I'll show you a little sneak peek whilst the guys are on their lunch. Brand new Aston Martin Valour. Anyway, I'm going to let them crack on fitting it, but let's cut to some B-roll of us inspecting it straight off the trailer. And I don't believe I actually got any shots of them washing it and stuff, because this car's so important with a tight deadline. I just want to leave them to it. But come along, I'll try and get some shots of it and I'll show you the finished result, which is just crazy.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic, baby.